film the opening.
Well, I'm doing it now. We're gonna be filming an unboxing video of the dollhouse and stuff like that. So he's cutting away, and we'll see how it looks in a couple of minutes. Dun dun dun! The big reveal. Oh my god! Stay tuned. Coming soon. Gonna put it. Well, he's gonna put it together. I'm gonna try to help, but that just makes things worse.
Sometimes.
Look at it. It's like old-fashioned and cottagey and wood. This is wood. Plastic wood, right?
Like compressed wood. Almost like a cardboard.
Huh. Well, the other house looks sturdier, but yeah. I got my Barbie castle there.
Well, this is just the backdrops.
Oh.
Here, this is the walls.
Ooh.
A little bit more sturdy.
Here's the walls.
Oh, yeah, even these like the things here are plastic, but the rest of it's like actual
wood.
Yeah.
Oh.
You got two of these and
So everything at the back. She has the little pieces over here, and he's putting it together. I can't show the last. Look at a photo of you.
Boomlang! Yes.
Huh.
Yep, and then
Nothing. Stay tuned for the big reveal. See how quick he does this. It'd be less than 10-minute video. With pausing, editing, and all that. More stuff to reveal.
This is all the accessories.
It comes with furniture?
Yep. This is all the accessories.
I didn't think it came with furniture because it's like it's just a dollhouse. What is it, $60 I paid? Wow. I wonder if my Barbies can fit. Or the Rainbow High dolls or the LOL dolls. Huh? That's a roof? Piece of a roof.
I think like maybe final little touch pieces.
These are my pajamas I got with the cars on them. I did a video on them called Little Comforts Unboxing Haul. You could check that video out. And I also did Little Comforts Part 1 and Little Comforts Part 2. Oh, little chairs are so cute and old-fashioned and doll-like. I mean, I love my Barbie dream house / Little People. I love the castle over there.
I don't know what it's supposed to be, but I mean, it looks like it could be almost worn as like a...
90.
Yeah.
Like a little nightgown. Look how cute. Surprises. Oh, the little couch. Wow, that's really old. That's cute. Chandelier?
I think so. Yeah. I think it's actually supposed to... Yeah.
Here, lower it.
Come on.
That's it, ain't it?
Yeah, I think that's as far as it's going to get. Here's your chandelier.
That's cute. The pink lights.
Now just imagine if I had LED lights to it like that, and you could click a little switch and those things could pop on.
It'd be fun.
That'd be pretty.
House is definitely colorful, that's for sure. I get a dress. I think that... I want this for the chandelier. Is this the dress?
I'm not 100% sure. Looks like a couple soft blankies.
Blinky? No, wait, Blinky.
I'm not 100% sure what this is.
I don't know. A lamp. I got a lamp. Everything's pink. It's all wood. Well, wow, that's really old school. Like a little table.
Kitchen table.
Wow, it says, well, kind of woody. Oh, that's a funky little lamp. It's like the 60s. Scissors.
Yeah.
It's like Beetlejuice lamp. That's a Beetlejuice lamp. That's a lamp? I don't know what this is. It looks like a Beetlejuice lamp.
Oh, this is definitely like a little end table.
Cute.
Probably goes with the couch or something. I think it's maybe for a bed. Potentially. You know what I could use this for?
A hatchet. Spank me, girl skick.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, let's pause that video. You're right back.
That's her crying. She's crying from tears from the house being done. No, she's crying from pain. Sadist and masochist.
I'm not journal.
It says number 30 on it.
A little table.
On the table.
A little wooden block.
That says number 26.
No.
Piano.
Maybe that's what that goes to. Maybe it's
Like a piano.
here's the
Bed.
I'm gonna say Barbie could definitely fit in that.
Yeah.
Long enough for Barbie.
Mm.
Oh, the stairs.
The
Which
stairs.
are actually made of plastic. Which makes sense. Oh, I think this is the bathtub.
Whoa, watch out, Victorian days.
This is the bathtub.
12
And
one.
a toilet.
Nice.
You can actually put real water in there. It'll actually hold too.
We're not doing that.
Plastic.
That's like an old tub though.
I think honestly even the toilet's plastic, so if you wanted to be a smarty pants, put like a little blue water in there and make it look like it's toilet water, you could.
And a dog would drink out of it.
Could.
Alright, well that's all the stuff, so see you guys in a little while.
Yeah. Now it's a matter of understanding these instructions of what to do. Let's find pieces 4 and 5.
We're getting there.
Well, here's 4. Just to turn around and realize no one really wants you. But now I'm miserable. And I gotta take a poopy. Poopy.
The house is getting there.
Tomorrow night, y'all have Zumba. I'm not gonna cancel Zumba for anyone, but I said no, I can't tomorrow night. What are you into?
Putting an elevator together.
Anything.
Got sunflower over there.
Oh shit, you screwed that up.
Piecing together. Doing it.
That wasn't it.
So I am making daddy burger. Well, not a daddy burger. Let me phrase that, but a buffalo burger. And then in here we got chicken patties cooking. I got the exhaust fan on, stuff like that. Then over here I got my mom, my kitty cat, my grandma, my candles lit, and my mama.
Chance of survival.
And then
In the first year,
he's
this shrinks to about 20%
fixing,
by year
doing
2.
the
And in
big
the end,
house.
the one that comes into out
Dun
muscle
dun dun
Here's how to
dun.
boost your
Almost
prize
done.
hunting stats. Always make sure to leave an area after a successful hunt. As a grown man with bills to pay, not much bigger is the Blackfoot, aka the deadliest cat on the planet. They have the highest hunting success rate of any cat at 60%, and while hunting, they'll catch a body pretty much every hour.
This is why God made men, because women can't do this. We'll be too busy bitching, complaining, and blah blah blah. But see, this is why we have men. We will be watching this movie soon, followed by Brave. I just got done finishing Rugrats. So, that's the leftover food. I just got done cleaning. The oven's off. See, you don't hear that fan no more? It was making like the whoosh noise. Oven's clean. And I guess it does cool it down. I'm not used to it. And then just the dishes here. And I put my new blue dish set away. I actually like the blue. It's pretty. Didn't have pink, but it's okay. So, yeah. Please thumbs up this video if you'd like it. Stay tuned for the big reveal and subscribe, hit the notification bell on this channel, and we'll be moving in the new house. And John Teresa, if you know my channel, John Teresa are the other couple, and they'll move into the old house. So stay tuned for that video. But pretty much done.